Hello. When purchasing a new upper-end RV, you would expect that your shower head would perform well. That is often not the case. This shower head that came with our RV lacks flow control and it only has one spray pattern. So what we've done is we've upgraded to an Oxygenics shower head that has 5 different spray patterns and allows us to control the flow with a quick flip of a switch on the back of the head. This shower head also comes with a longer hose, a 6-foot long line, and it fits nicely right within the holder that came with the RV. So the strength of this spray is also increased due to its ability to mix the water with air. And I'll show you right now just how strong the flow is. As you can see, if you've been in your shower, this is probably significantly more pressure than you've ever experienced. And this is all off the pump from within our RV. So, with that said, I would recommend upgrading to an Oxygenics shower head. I put a link within the comments below, and I look forward to your feedback on the shower head also. Again, the link is below. If you like what you saw and you want to see more of the gadgets and the little things we've done to RV, please subscribe to the channel and also hit a like. I appreciate that. Thank you, and I look forward to chasing life with all of you.